before we get those exhaust tips put on, I want you all to hear my exhaust. Because I don't think it's loud enough. It might be a little different. That's what it sounds like.
You ain't never heard of me. Vegans, y'all really want the beef, all with the black. Race for the slack. Ain't a handout, you understand where I'm at. Show up to the spot, I said welcome on the map, but they ain't wanna let us in, so we came through the back. Look, oh man, Lord bless you with the bands. Hoping he gon' bless you with the 10. No win, but he ain't about to land.
What's up, Guan? It's your boy Kwame Buju Bonton, back with another video. And today, I'm on my way to the shop, to the muffler shop, so I can get my exhaust tips put on. This has been long overdue. I've been meaning to do this for a while now, and I just kept putting it off, so I finally hit my man up, say, man, can I swing by so I can get these exhaust tips put on my car? And he was like, sure. So that's what I'm on my way to do right now. So y'all stay tuned, all right?
Go ahead, hit it, Rob.
So y'all saw it. My boy Rob, we just took it in. About to go ahead and put that work in it. It's gonna cost me about $120 just for him to put the exhaust tips on there. I got some black exhaust tips I'm trying to get put on, so can't wait for that. And you know, it's probably gonna sound a little bit louder. They're gonna take care of me, and I told him I don't want my exhaust tips, I don't want them sticking out. How my exhaust tips are sticking out right now. I don't like that. So I told him I want a regular, and if he can clamp them down. He's still over there revving my engine up. I can hit it right now. But anyway, yeah. Whew, I've been waiting for this so long, man. I'm anxious right now. I feel like a kid at a candy store. Y'all just don't understand, man. Y'all don't understand, man. I'm really about this Mopar life. I'm gonna do some more stuff to the car. I got some other things I'm thinking of. Some other things that I gotta thinking in my mind. Some other ideas. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Keep supporting your boy. It's Kwame Buju Bonton. Ah! This is dope right here. I don't know if this is a Chevy, Camaro, or something else. But they got the TA wheels on there. This thing is hard. I'd take it old school any day. Yeah, it's a Chevy SS. See by the grill right there. Just standing over here waiting for my car to get worked on. I saw this car over here. Looking sweet. This is nice. Convertible top. B5 blue. It's dope. Whoever got this right here, they probably gonna put some work into it. Show y'all the front again. It's dope. Woo. Kinda like the Challenger a little bit. If you take a look at it. The 4 lights in the front. Like it. Like I said, I take an old school any day. Yes, sir. So you about to put the other one on. That was quick too. Nah, I just started like 2 weeks ago. I got 2 videos so far. It's probably gonna be my 3rd or 4th video. Yes. I got like 20 subscribers. Well, you gotta start somewhere, you know. Yep. Yeah. I got like 20 subscribers, like 100 views on one video, and I got like 49 views on another video.
The height is like 100.
Yeah.
What do you trying to make?
It's called Kwame Buju Banton. So like KWAMYBUJUBANTON. Yeah. Well, I can't wait to hear what it sound like. Y'all already heard what it sound like before. The other exhaust was on there. The other exhaust was on there. Can't wait. Woo! For like fireworks out here. So they welding the exhaust tips on right now. Woo! It's hot in here. It's my camera. I just bought this from online store. So you just hook it up to your iPhone. Just twist it. Twist it on, you can twist it off. Yeah.
Is it good quality?
Yeah, it's good quality. You wanna feel it? Let me pause the video. It's done, baby. It's done. They look sick too. Alright, so I just got home, right? And on the way home, I could tell the difference, you know? It's a little bit more deeper. It has a deeper growl. The exhaust tips that my boy just put on, they're a little bit more raspy. So, I like them. Y'all take a look at them. Look at that. It's nice. Alright, so we out, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button. Alright. Oh yeah, if y'all want some exhaust work or anything done to y'all car, like custom wise, hit up your boy Rob, Kustom Mufflers. I'll put the title in the description, so y'all can check that out. So it's Kustom Mufflers, and he located in Hyattsville, Maryland. Like I said, I'll put the title and everything in the description, so y'all go check him out.